परदेसी इधर से आए, हाँ यही मेरे दिल में
Now solve the inequality 7x plus 3 is less than 5x plus 9 so that graph of solution of the number line is this much. So given that 7x plus 3 is less than 5x plus 9, subtracting 3 from both sides, and as you know that while subtracting the same number from both sides of the inequality, your sign of the equation unchanged. So you have this result 7x. This can be written as 7x is less than 5x plus 6. Subtracting 5x we get 7x minus 5x equal to 5x plus 6 minus 5x. This is 2x is less than 6. 2x by 2 is less than 6 by 2. That is x is less than 3. So solution set is minus infinity to 3 and show it on the number line. So you draw a number line and mark 0 on it, and you take 1 and minus 1, 2 and minus 2, 3 and minus 3 at equal distance from 0, and your solution set is from minus infinity to 3, and 3 is not included in this interval. So you just make a small circle on it and leave it blank. Now next question, question number 6. Now question number 6. Solve 3x minus 4 by 2 is greater than or equal to x plus 1 by 4 minus 1. So the graph of solution on number line. So the graph of solution on number line. Solution. Given that 3x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 3x minus 4 upon 2 is greater than or equal to x plus 1 by 4 minus 1. So this is 1 by 1. You can write 3x minus 4 by 2 is greater than or equal to your LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. Here you can write x plus 1 minus 4. So simplified form of that is 3x minus 4 by 2 is greater than or equal to x minus 3. 1 minus 4 is minus 3 by 4. Multiply both sides of the inequality by 4. Since 4 is a positive number, therefore sign of an equation is unchanged. So 4 multiplied by 3x minus 4 by 2 is greater than or equal to 4 multiplied by x minus 3 by 4. This 4 and this 4 will be cancelled. 2 is 4. So now you can write this is 2 in the bracket 3x minus 4 is greater than or equal to x minus 3. Open the bracket. 2 into 3x is 6x. 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. Is greater than or equal to x minus 3. Adding 8 to both sides, we get, since we are adding the same number, so sign of inequation remains the same. So 6x minus 8 plus 8 is greater than or equal to x minus 3 plus 8. So it is 6x is greater than or equal to x. 8 minus 3 is 5, x plus 5. Now subtracting x from both sides. Subtracting x from both sides, of the inequality. Since we are subtracting the same number, so sign of inequality is unchanged. 6x minus x is greater than or equal to x plus 5 minus x. X and x will be cancelled. 6x minus x is 5x is greater than or equal to 5. On dividing by positive number 5, again sign of inequation remains the same. So this implies that 5x divided by 5 is greater than or equal to 5 divided by 5. So x is greater than or equal to 1, implies the interval 1 to infinity. Now we have to show the graph of this solution on the number line. So for that you draw a number line. Draw a number line. It is minus infinity to plus infinity. So you mark 0 on it and take numbers 1 and minus 1 at equal distance from 0, 2 and minus 2. Similarly 3 and minus 3. And here your solution is taken from 1 to infinity. And 1 is included in this interval. So you make a small circle and fade them, because this one is present in the solution set of the inequality. So this is 1 to infinity. Now next question. Question number 7. Solve three x plus 8 greater than 2 when number 1, x is an integer. Second, x is a real number. So you write your solution like this, given that 3x plus 8 is greater than 2, subtracting 8 from both the sides, we get 3x plus 8 minus 8 is greater than 2 minus 8. So this is 3x is greater than minus 6. dividing the inequality by positive number 3, we get, since we are dividing this inequality by positive number 3, therefore sign of the inequality remains the same by the rule. So 3x divided by 3 is greater than minus 6 divided by 3. So x is greater than minus 2. Now, number 1, find solution when x is an integer. In this case, our solution set is all the integers greater than minus 2. All the integers greater than minus 2. Minus 1. First integer greater than minus 2 is minus 1. Then 0. Then 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is in the first case, and second case, when x is a real number, then solution set is interval minus 2 to infinity. So this is the solution of this equation. Now another question. Solve the following inequalities for real numbers. This is assignment. Solve the following inequalities for real numbers. First, 4x plus 3 is less than 6x plus 7. Second, 3 multiplied by x minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 in the bracket x minus 3. Third, x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 is less than 11. Fourth, 3 in the bracket x minus 2 upon 5 is less than or equal to 5 into 2 minus x upon 3. Fifth, 2 in the bracket 2x plus 3 minus 10 is less than 6 in the bracket x minus 2. Now sixth, x by 4 is less than 5x minus 2 minus k upon 5. Now after that, there is word problems related to the inequalities. As we have seen in class 10, there are word problems for linear equations, for quadratic equations. Similarly, here is also we have some word problems to solve the inequality, and I am doing that. You see, your first question. This is word problem. Question number 1. The marks obtained by students of class 11 by students of class 11 by student of class 11 in first and second terminal examination are 62 and 48 respectively. Find the number of minimum marks. Find the minimum marks he should get in the annual examination to have an average of 60 marks. That is because this is the word problem. Now you see here minimum, maximum, at least, at most, all this kind of thing is given in the question, and we are framing inequality. In place of equations, we are framing inequality by the given word problem. Here, the marks obtained by a student of class 11 in first and second term of examination are 62. First, 62, and second, that is 48. Let in third terminal examination he get X marks, so that minimum average becomes 60. Minimum average becomes 60 marks. So in this case, you find the average marks of all three terminal examination, two terminal examination and annual examination. Find the average of that. There are three examinations. One is a two terminal and one annual. Average of all this is X plus 48 plus 62. This is divided by 3. This is the average, and your average minimum at least 60 marks. So this is greater than or equal to 60. At least 60 means it may be equal to 60, it may be greater than 60. So now you solve this inequality. X plus 110 by 3 is greater than or equal to 60. You multiply this equation, multiply by 3. It is a positive number, so equation does not change. So 3 into x plus 110 you find the solution of this. So you will get that x plus 110 is greater than or equal to 180. Subtracting 110, x plus 110 minus 110 is greater than or equal to 180 minus 110. So this is x is greater than or equal to 70. So that student will obtain minimum 70 marks in annual examination. In order to get an average of 60 marks, a student must get minimum 70 marks in his annual examination. So tomorrow I will discuss similar type of problem.